Let us have a look at the pivot table that we have created. We have summarized our data. When you look at column A, we have different account managers. Column B, we have sum of total sales for each and every account manager. So you can see the first account manager, that is the first account manager. This is the total sales, sum of total sales that he made during that period of time. The second account manager up to the last account manager. Now, what we want to award each and every account manager commission based on the total sales that he had made. But now, the commission rate in this case, let's say it is going to be 20%. Now, what we want to do, we want to perform a calculation that will give us another column, that is column C, which will now give us the commission for each and every account manager in discrete figures or in absolute figures. We want to see, for example, the first account manager, Ayanya Zhang, how much is he supposed to earn in commission if the commission rate is 20%? And we do not want this formula to break down. Now, the first step is to click into your pivot table. Just click in anywhere within your pivot table. After clicking into your pivot table, come at the top where we have the pivot table analyze tab. Click on that. Under the pivot table analyze tab, we have the calculations group. The first option under the calculations group, we have the fields, items, and sets. This is what we want. So we click on that. Clicking on that, the first option is calculated field. Then the second option is the calculated item. The calculated item is not active because it is not suitable for this particular data set. Now, the third option is solve order, then the list formulas. Now, we are going with the calculated fields because we are performing calculations. Now, click on the calculated field. Then you can see now a window like this has opened, and this is the insert calculated field. Now, the very first option in this case, we have the name, and the name, this is now where we are going to give our new column a name. Let us give it a name like commission rate. Not commission rate, but commission in millions. Commission million. That is the first one. The second one is now the formula. It is giving us an option to perform our calculations now using a formula. Now, what we want to do, we want to multiply the sum of the total by 20%. Now, we are coming to where we have the fields list. We are going to go down up to where we have the sum of total. Sum of total. Yes, it is supposed to be total. So we click on that. When we click on that, there is an option to insert a field. It becomes active. It is automatically activated. Then we click on insert field. Then you can see it has been already displayed under the formula. Then we are going to multiply it by 20%. 20% can just be like 0.2. Then we click OK. The moment we click OK, you can see another column has automatically been added, and now it is sum of commission in millions. Yes, and you can see everything is okay like this. Even if we are going to and that is exactly how it is done. You can do any kind of calculation. Just come here, click into anywhere within your pivot table, go to where we have the pivot analyze tab, fields, items, and sets, calculated field. In this case, you can perform any kind of calculation that you want. Even if you want to see how this particular account managers performed from one year to another, you can easily get it here. I know most of us may be asking, why are we doing this instead of just doing it directly? But let me show you. If you are going to do it directly, just by maybe typing beside here, maybe typing equal sign, this one, times that 0.2. It is going to work, but it is not going to work if you have filters, and maybe if you are going to start modifying your data. Let us see how that will work. Let us come here and delete this part. Let us come here. Instead of going to where we have the calculated fields, let us just do it direct. First, let us start by filtering this data. I only want to see for 3 account managers. Let us deal with that. 0.2, then okay. Then let me copy it down. You can see this is what we have. First, we do not even have the column header or the pivot table header. We do not have something like the title for this particular column. That is the very, very first thing. The second thing, if we are going to clear this filter, the formula is not going to be copied down. Let us see. Clear the filter. You can see this particular formula has not been copied down. It is just remaining where it is. So this is one of the weaknesses of using the very, very common formula or common method of getting these calculations. Let us see what would have happened if we had gone the calculated fields way. Let me again do that. Filter this, get for the first 3 account managers. That's the way we have done it. Total, insert, times the commission rate. Commission rate is 0.2, then okay. That is okay. Now let us go back and clear the filter from the account managers field and see how this is going to behave. I have cleared it, and you can see the formula has been copied down to the rest of the account managers. So that is why you need to use the calculated fields formula as opposed to the common formula.